welcome to Caravan Escapades. Hope everybody's keeping safe and well. This is just a quick vlog really. This subject has already been included in our main NEC Caravan show in part 2, but I wanted to pull this out and pick this out. I came across this product of this company while wandering around, and it's basically a retractable tow bar, but it's a retractable tow bar that can be fitted afterwards, so it doesn't have to be factory fit. Like with my Mercedes, I really liked a retractable tow bar, but because I didn't order it from new and I didn't buy the car from new, I couldn't get one fitted. I could only have the detachable tow bar. And I've been looking around, I've seen various different people with retractable tow bars and thought, I like these. So I came across this company. The company is called ACPS Automotive. I'll put links and everything down there. But the product is called Oris Automotive, and it's a range of tow bars. So they are the inventors of, let me just read here, inventor of the world's first retractable towing system. So they are the inventor of the retractable towing system. These can be retrofitted to your cars. They've got 65 years experience. Not only do they do the retractable ones, they also do the standard detachable tow bars, and not necessarily relevant for us, but they have a range of tow bars available for the US market and that sort of thing. They also do bike racks and all these sorts of stuff. So it's Oris is the product, ACPS Automotive. Only downside and real crux in all of this is that they don't have one yet available for the Mercedes GLS. So I can't fit one to my car, but they do say there are new ones coming to market all the time. So if you're in the market for a tow bar, especially an electrical retractable tow bar, go over, check this out. I mean, short bit of vlog that I did while I was at the show. I came across these guys by surprise. I will put the links in there to their website and you can find out more. But if it's something that interests you, head on over there. Must say, I'm not being sponsored by these guys. I'm not being paid to do this, that sort of thing. It's just I came across them. I know it's something I've been in the market for, although not readily available for my car yet. So no sponsorship, no affiliation, anything like that. I just thought it might be worthwhile sharing it with you guys. So head over and look at the small video that I did while I was at the show. So we're just wandering right, and here we got Oris ACP, quality ways to attract. So basically different types of removable tow bars. Now you know we've got the tow bar fitted, the removable tow bar. What I liked about this one, and I probably need to learn how to use it properly, it's an electric tow bar, and this can be retrofitted to your car. It's not the sort of thing that you know, normally electric tow bars have to be fitted at order of the car at the manufacturers, but this is something that can be retrofitted. So I've got to see if I can make this work properly. So what you've got to do is you just hold the button for 2 seconds. The reason for holding it 2 seconds is so you don't get any thingies. Then you let go, and then it takes a second and then starts to move away. And again, exactly the same sort of thing in reverse. Press it for 2 seconds, let go, thinks about it, and then it comes out and locks in place. And you've also got your 13-pin socket in there for your electrics and that sort of stuff. I have inquired about whether I can have it fitted to the GLS. Unfortunately, they don't do a version for the GLS yet, but I think if they did, that is something I'd certainly be invested in. But if you do want more information, it's Oris ACPS Automotive. Do a Google and you'll find out more about their product range. So it's the motorised one and the standard, basically removable tow bars. So I'm just here talking with Jim from Oris. He saw me doing the vlog and I'm just finding out a bit more details about it, and he was just showing me some of the safety features here. So basically we're going to reset it, set it off. So should there be anything in the way, puts his hand there, look, and just stops. So it's not going to trap anything, it's not going to trap legs, do all those sorts of stuff. And what it's done, it's gone back, reset itself, find out it's home. And here we go, it's coming out again. Perfect. I really like that. I just wish they got one for the GLS, but I will be keeping that in mind. Jim, do you mind telling me how much roughly ballpark for one of these systems?
Yeah, we're thinking around about £1,200 fully fitted.
Well, that's not bad, because I paid that for the one on the GLS for the with the removable tow bar, so it's the same sort of price, and I could have had an electric one fully fitted. So I will be keeping a keen eye out for when they do one for the GLS. I hope they do one for the GLS anyway. So no, that's great. Thank you very much, Jim.
My pleasure. Thank
really
you.
Appreciate that. And that's Oris. There we go again. Oris. In fact, let me show you guys the QR code. So if you're on there, the screen, you can see the QR code and the website and everything else. It's www.orisautomotive.com.